Guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today I'm going to see if duct tape will solve this problem. I need to use this hose, finish building this fence, set some concrete, and when you know it, blew the hose by nicking it with a circular saw over here cutting. So I'm going to try out some of this Gorilla tape. It's supposed to be 2 times stronger. If it works, at the end of the video, I'll show you exactly what it looks like. And we'll see if this Gorilla duct tape will stop a leak. So hopefully it does. Obviously you can go buy a new hose, but if you're in the field, you're trying to work, it's not very convenient. So I'm going to start this out here. All right. Okay. Give it a good squeeze. All right. Moment of truth. See if this hose is usable again. I don't see any leaks. Maybe a little bit out the side here, but pretty usable. Here's the bubble that's starting to form. Ah, ripped it. Go a little thicker. All right, second attempt. See if it creates that big belly again. It went pretty thick in here. Awesome. Yeah, not too bad. I mean, it's not a perfect fix. Obviously, it's not a perfect wrap job, but in a pinch, looks like you can fix a hose with duct tape. So, it's kind of a stupid video, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, remember to rate, comment, subscribe. Get you in the next one. Later.